How to set high contrast dark on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set high contrast dark on Skype mobile. First thing I'm gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here, and now click this one, settings, and then click appearance, and now all you need to do is just go down and you will find this one here, high contrast dark. Click here, and as you see this is high contrast dark. If you want it, just click apply, and as you see Skype turn it to high contrast dark. And this is how to set high contrast dark on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.